Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana, and for those joining for the first time, I like to create different videos on lifestyle and blogs and just overall whatever I'm feeling like recording. And yeah, so for this week's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my top hair products. As you guys probably saw in my last video, I had a lot of baby hair, so I wanted to share with you guys some of the stuff that I use to like kind of help me style my hair but also take care of it. So let's start with this video, and I'm going to be showing you guys each product, and then of course, like always, I link everything down below, or I just put down the names of the products so you guys can look them up. So yeah, let's start with this video. So starting off, I'm going to be showing y'all some of the stuff that I use overall to keep it like healthy and like to help in it. I suffer from like dry hair after a while, and it gets really tangled up and stuff, so I need to use products to help me like untangle my hair and overall for me, you know, to have overall very nice looking hair, you can say. So starting off first with Shea Moisture Strength and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. It has Jamaican black castor oil, and it's this one right here. It's freaking amazing, y'all. It's so good. I think I showed you guys this when I got like a haul video, and I showed you guys that I was gonna try this out, and it was like a couple months ago, so I've been using this for a while. I want to say it's freaking amazing, and I highly recommend it. It's this one. I use it every time I wash my hair before I brush my hair. Now off to another leave-in conditioner. I've been using this for like years, and I got into this because of my mom, so shout out to my mommy. So my mom actually has always like tried to take care of her hair because she has curly hair actually, and her and my brother are the only ones that have curly hair in my family, but the rest of us came out with like straight hair, except for my grandma. She has like curly afro hair. So I like to use the Garnier Fructis, the Garnier Active Fruit Protein Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner and Cream. It has argan oil from Morocco. So this is for sure like my go-to because it's under $5 and it's really good, and you get a lot for the product, and I just love the smell for it. And like again, I use this to like help me detangle my hair. But it's this one. I started to use it in high school. From here and then I will steal some from my mom, and then afterwards I just started to buy it when I came to like UW-Madison, and I was like wanting to start investing more in my hair, and I finally had a job to like treat myself to hair products, and I started buying this one. Another really good one that I will say also my mom got me into is the Biosilk Silk Therapy, the original oil, and it's Peruvian free, so it's supposed to be like good for you, and it lasts for 12 months, and it's like really weightless, smells amazing. And I've seen this being used by a lot of hairstylists and people who have cut my hair as well. So then my mom really likes this, and also my grandma. So then I saw them growing up using this, so then I also bought it and I fell in love with it. And whenever I go to Chicago, I start using the heck out of my mom's because it's a little pricey. So it's this Biosilk one. And you can get this at, I believe you can get it at, of course, you already know, Amazon has it. Who else has it? I got it at TJ Maxx, but they also have it in like Marshalls and stuff, so it's there for very affordable. Of course, you can always get it at your local hair salons or like the bougie ones, but they tend to overprice them, so I would suggest getting them through somewhere else. And this one's really good for like kind of just using it after, like once you're gonna style your hair, you're feeling like your hair is being a little bit too dry and stuff. I like to reach my hands off to this one, and I honestly want to say I use it like 5 times a week because my hair gets kind of dry, especially with the humid weather. I feel like I reach out to this a lot, especially during the summer, and of course the winter as well, but a lot during the summer. I feel like during the summer it's just like I feel like my hair just gets so dry. It gets oily from the top and so dry from the bottom. Another really good oil that's more on like the affordable side that you can get in Walmart, you can get at Target, you can get on Amazon or Walgreens. Like this one is a really big one, and it's actually a really good one that I will say that for sure if that one's a little bit more pricey for you, that to try this one are. And this one is from OGX, and it's the Argan Oil of Morocco one. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this one before. but it's very popular, and I have always bought it at Walmart. It's really good. I really like how it helps with my dry hair, so I would definitely recommend this if you're struggling with like really damaged dry hair. And for me, it's like I don't even use like heating products, but my hair gets pretty damaged pretty easily, and it just gets really tangled up, and it's overall, I just have a lot of hair too, so it just doesn't help. So I have to use a little bit of this before brushing my hair when I wake up the next day, and it really helps. And this is actually gonna be, oh wait, no, I lied. I have 2 more hair products that help you to have healthy hair. So moving on to the next Biosilk one, and this is like a leave-in conditioner as well, but it's like the more bougie one, and it has just so many things that it can help you with. So not only is it a leave-in conditioner, but it provides volume, it helps you straighten your hair, it controls frizz, it prevents split ends, it seals the hair and stops hair breakage, and protects the hair color from fading, and it protects your hair from environmental damage, and like when you're having like thermal protection from flat or curling irons. So it just has a lot of crap, and I will say I got this one on sale, and I was so excited because usually these run for like 15 bucks, I want to say, at TJ Maxx or whatever, but I got it for $4. This one, so it's like the Biosilk one, but it's a leave-in conditioner. So I am a true believer in leave-in conditioners. Leave-in conditioners really help you afterwards before you brush your hair and stuff, and also just helps you give that extra moisture. Normal conditioner might not give it to you because you rinse it off right away. So if you don't have time like me to like chill for 5 minutes in the bathroom and like get that deep-in conditioner one, I would suggest just kind of like buying yourself a leave-in conditioner you can use after you come out the shower. And last like hair product to kind of help you keep it healthy is this Biotin Boost, and it's a 5-in-1 leave-in spray. And I've been using this for a couple months now. It's really great when I need to like brush my hair, but I didn't wash it that day because I like to wash my hair every other day, if not every 2 days. So whenever I feel like I need to like brush my hair but I don't want to like break it or like pull out my hair and stuff, I try to like run this through my hair to make it a little bit more moist and not to lose as much hair. Alright, so now to the last product for protecting your hair. So I know that whenever I like to like when I actually had a life besides COVID-19 and I would go out to like to a bar or something, I like to style my hair, I will reach out for this Iron Guard hair protector, and it's kind of a little bit pricey, but again I recommend going to Marshalls, TJ Maxx, or Ross, or any of those places to buy this. But it's pretty sure everybody's familiarized with this product, but I just want to hype it up because I feel like it has helped me with hair like damage. And it's this one, Iron Guard from Kai. I'm not sure if you say it like that, but it's really good, and it helps you overall with preventing, you know, that hair damage. Okay, so really, these are like the final products that are meant for styling. And it's this American Crew pomade that you guys probably have seen at Walmart or Target. I've seen it at Target and I've seen it at Walmart. I actually got this, no, not Walmart, Walgreens. It's really good. I'm actually wearing it right now to like control my baby hair, so like it does a good job controlling them and like making them more calm. All right, so hairspray is a must. I know that it sucks because you're gonna wash your hair right away and stuff, but for me, when I curl my hair, I gotta add a shit ton of hairspray because I have straight hair and honestly need a lot of hairspray, because if not, the curls will fall off within 30 minutes to an hour and it will like just go back to being completely straight. I have really straight eyelashes, really straight hair. It's just, it has always been like that and didn't get my mom's jeans. And then this one's another one that my sister Stephanie got me into, but it's like an edge control for like all those baby hairs. That it's honestly really good, and it's more on the affordable side than the American Crew one, because this one's a little bit more pricey, to be honest. It's like up to like I want to say $17. This one's under $10. It's like a dupe for that one. I will say this one does leave your hair a little bit more oily, like I don't know, like really shiny. So if you don't mind that effect, then you're fine, but I think that this one's a really good one, and it does the same job, and it just really like puts your hair into place. And it's the Edge Control hair gel, and it's infused with sweet almond oil. And I got this one at Walmart, but I have also seen it at Target, and I have also seen it at Walgreens. I use this Suave gel, and I know it's like the cheap one, but it actually works pretty well, and it's like a mass hold, and it just overall just helps you like kind of control your baby hairs, or like kind of just, you know, not leave it too stiff or sticky, but just give you that maximum like styling control, like whatever. Alright, but yeah, that is all for this week's video. I just wanted to share with you guys my favorite hair like products, and I really hope that it helps you guys and gives you some ideas and to what to be using and what it can help you with in the future. So I will of course link down all the information down below. And before we close off this video, I just want to say please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It means the world to me. I'm dedicating myself more time into building my YouTube channel, and hopefully, you know, maybe in a year, maybe in like a couple years, I can help, you know, I can like build this channel a bit more. I truly enjoy it, and I feel like it has helped me become more like confident. But yeah, that is all. I hope that you guys are doing well. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.